Caucus realized that they had a very worse historic opportunity in front of them. This solution gets us a good way there, and we still have more work to do. And they recognized that opportunity, and they took it.
Was it a threat of basically
He just encouraged them. Well, there was no other plan there. Bankruptcy was a really nice job, in my opinion, and lots of others here. The very worst solution. And people understood the gravity. This solution gets us a good way there, and we still have more work to do.
Were the two amendments the thing that got you to 19?
No, those we were working on earlier in the week. I mean, those were just a couple things that we saw that were problematic, so we made sure we changed those. This plan is for the kids of Detroit, paying off their debt, giving them elected school board back. I mean, nearly everything that was on their wish list. And I said it to you guys before, it's really hard to give somebody $700 million. It shouldn't have to be that.
Second of all, this is a Detroit issue, and not one Detroit lawmaker was allowed to speak and share our concerns as it relates to these bills, seeing that they affect our community. And so to take up legislation that impacts Detroit and Detroit only is a slap in the face to the citizens of the city of Detroit, a slap in the face to democracy, to our educators, to our parents, and to our school children. These bills do nothing to deal with the issues that we are dealing with in Detroit public schools. But what they do is pat Detroit against everybody else. And we're tired of it, and we were not allowed to speak as lawmakers from Detroit, as the citizens of Detroit have elected us to do. So when you look at the legislation, we're not dealing with the academic issues, we're not dealing with the debt issues. We've gone a year of discussions, meetings, conversations, and none of it has mattered because Detroit lawmakers have not been at the table. Just don't our school kids matter? Shouldn't they have access to a good quality education? Our school kids deserve the same thing as in Holland and any of these other Republican districts. Our taxpayers have paid our dollars, the state has run up the debt, the state has controlled the district, and to not allow the lawmakers to have a word or a voice in this process is a slap to the citizens of Detroit, but also to the entire state of Michigan. It's Detroit today, it'll be you all tomorrow.